Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix KHAKI Brown enamel paint for kitchen cabinet. KHAKI Brown cabinet with cold undertone will complement cooler neutrals. You can include dark blue gray, lavender toned gray, and sage green hues into the wall color and even on the counters. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep updated on our upcoming paint mixing videos. Thank you. Okay, let's start. After this intro, our client order 1 liter of KHAKI Brown enamel paint for wood. Let's begin by pouring enamel caterpillar yellow. Then let's add enamel white. Then add enamel black. Also add enamel phthalo blue. Let's also add enamel moly orange. Let's now stir the paint very well to blend all the colors that we put. Let's now compare to our client chosen sample. Yes, it's the same shade already. We're just more darker. Let's add more enamel white. Also add more caterpillar yellow. Let's also add a little enamel black. It's almost the same, just a little more lighter. Let's add more caterpillar yellow. It's khaki brown color already. Mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial videos guys. Thank you for watching.